Hi there! We are making stuffed eggplant circles today. It's a vegan recipe that is enjoyed as a side or an appetizer. We'll scoop out the centers, make a delicious filling, then fill and shallow fry the eggplants. You'll be able to surprise your folks with this one. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. I'll begin by adding some turmeric powder to a bowl of water. Mix it and have it ready at the side. Cut the brinjals into thick roundels close to an inch thick. So I should get about 3 from one. Time to scoop out the centers, leaving about half an inch gap from the edge. Cut out a circle. Now I'll just immediately put both of them in the turmeric water that I have by the side and get on with the rest of them. Time to chop up the eggplant centers. You could even grate them or run them in the food processor. Once the eggplant or bangan has been chopped, I'll just quickly move to the cooking area. I have my other ingredients ready. I'll tell you all about them as we go along. This is 1/4 cup of chana dal or Bengal gram that I have soaked in water for about an hour. I'll grind it to a smooth paste. Heat about 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil in a pan. Add in a tablespoon each of finely chopped onions and capsicum. Season with a bit of salt and cook this till the onions are light brown in color. That's good. Add in about half a teaspoon of ginger paste. I've added in grated ginger and then add in the chopped eggplant, all of it. Season with salt. This will help the eggplant to cook faster. And cook till the eggplants are done. Once that's done, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, jeera, a tiny bit of haldi, turmeric, chopped green chilies. I should have added them right at the beginning according to your taste, and fresh tomato paste, 4 teaspoons of it. Cook till the oil starts separating all over. That looks good. All the liquid from the tomatoes have dried up. So let's add in half a cup of cooked soya granules, a boiled potato, mash it up. That's a small one. A dash of sweet chili sauce and a bit of kasundi. You could add in English mustard. Mix everything well. Mash it up as you go along. Taste it and adjust the seasoning. I'll add in some of the chana dal paste, maybe 2 tablespoons of it. And this is going to be our binder. Just mix it well and turn off the heat. Don't want to cook it all the way through right away. So we'll let that cool down completely. So this is about a tablespoon and a half of corn flour, To this, I'll add in the leftover chana dal or lentil paste. So that's just about a tablespoon of it. Add a little water. Mix this well to form slurry that we'll use to coat our eggplant circles once they are stuffed. Let's keep this aside. The filling mixture has cooled down completely. So let's add in a handful of finely chopped walnuts just for a bite. I mix that very well. Arrange the eggplants. Place a generous amount of the filling in the center so that it fits in perfectly. Use a knife to just press it down and smooth the top as well. On to the next. Similarly, just fill up the rest of them and smooth the tops. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. So that is how our eggplant circles look after they have been stuffed. Before frying them, just dip each side into the slurry and place them in a pan for shallow frying. So after a minute and a half, I'll flip it over. Hardly takes about 2 minutes per side on medium heat to cook them. Fry the next batch. Remember to sprinkle some chaat masala before you serve them. Some roasted cumin powder, bhuna jeera, and some red chili powder. Serve the stuffed eggplant circles as a side dish or an appetizer. Enjoy!